Welcome to the Art Liddy home. Today I am going to declutter this little area I have in my sunroom. And this room overlooks the pool. It's attached right to the pool deck actually. And that little area becomes a catch-all for all of my pool equipment that I need to take care of the pool with. Between chemicals and test kits. And I even have the salt cell cleaner here, and it just has become so cluttered and overflowing. And my solution is to take a secondhand piece of furniture, and this is my solution, is to refinish this set of drawers. And it's a nice little piece. It's narrow and tall, which will fit that space nicely. And I can easily just refinish it, and then that'll solve some storage problems for the pool, all those little bits and pieces that I don't want to lose. But it also will help me store some little garden equipment, because right here you can see I have a little small garden area right outside the pool, and it's nice to have handy some nippers or clippers or even a little fertilizer right here, so I can just go grab it from the sunroom and then just come on out here instead of going to the garage and getting all the gardening things. So this is going to be a storage tower for, anything I need that's in the area of the pool and garden. The first thing I did was I cleaned up with some soap and water the wood really well and dusted it all off. And then I sprayed it with some flat black. Here is the product I use, the Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover Satin, and it's made for indoor outdoor. And I've sprayed all the door faces with this, and I still have some left over, so I'll be using the rest of that on here. And I bought an extra can just in case, but I'm going to go ahead and spray this and show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'm showing you the process here. I did the bottom edge first, that way I can tip the bureau back and spray, and then tip it back on the front and spray to get the legs and bottom really well here. And then I gently place it back down on the paper, and now I'm going to do the rest right here. Never sprayed before. You put your can about 8 inches away, and you're going to spray in a direction across. And you're going to do 2 really light coats. It's okay if it doesn't get full coverage the first time. And I do it in one direction. You can go back and forth if you want to. But very lightly, far away. And then what you do is you come back. After that's dry, you can even go down in another direction. That way you make sure you get everything clear after that's dry a bit. And 2 coats should do it. Just like this. Lightly. I've already done the bottom, and the bottom's actually dry. So it's just very light, like this. And you want even coverage. And you can see I'm just spraying it outside. You can use a mask if you'd like, or if you have problems breathing, problems with allergies or asthma. You want to make sure you wear a mask. I'm going to get the undersides as well. And then once you're done spraying, you always turn your can upside down and release some of the color. That way when you go to spray again, this is not all clogged. Here's the hardware that I chose to put onto these storage drawers. And I'm really pleased with them. I haven't dealt with this company before. It is Franklin Brass. And here's the number that I ordered, and I got it off of Amazon. Normally I deal with Carpe Diem, which is a hardware company that makes cabinet hardware, and I absolutely love all of their stuff, but I'm really pleased with this. I went with the little ocean kind of nautical theme because it's near my pool and water, and I have some starfish inside the pool, so I thought that would be kind of cute. And also this is 3 inches. I needed a 3-inch space for screwing in, and I didn't want to have to adjust my drawers and have to re-drill anything, fill holes and re-drill. So I went with this kind of hardware. So it was easy for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it on and show you the finished product. The little cabinet came out great. I'm real pleased with it. And I absolutely love the little hardware that I installed. And it definitely cleans up this area. So instead of a messy catch-all, I now just simply store things out of sight in the drawers. And I'm real excited to start filling it with some of my garden equipment. Right off this pool area is a garden area, and so I'm able to just run in and out, and I can put any of my clippers or things for the garden in that area as well. So I'm real excited that I don't have to run into the garage. Normally I would just have a bucket out here in the sunroom, and that would hold, you know, some things, but it just got cluttery and it just got really messy. So I'm happy about this solution. And actually the little dresser was actually free. A neighbor was just throwing it out. So with very little cost, I was able to reduce some of my clutter and give me a little bit of storage. If you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. That way you will have access to my newest videos. And if you'd like to become a patron and support this channel, you can click on the title of the video and it will take you to my Patreon account. I would like to take this time to also thank my patrons who have supported me in the past and who are currently supporting me on my Patreon account.